Hi, my name is Natalie Grundy and this is my presentation for data visualization assignment 1, enhancing communication, evaluating technologies and tailoring data analysis for specific audiences. So this presentation will first cover the importance of communication and how to communicate effectively with colleagues and stakeholders. Second, it will cover evaluating innovative technologies for digital design. And lastly, it will cover how data analysis is tailored to specific audiences. Each of the sections will also include a case study. So Anderson in 2025 explains that communication and effective information sharing in businesses and organisations are key to success. And collaboration in projects will help shape strategies and drive results. Effective communication is essential to provide accurate results, predictions, and decision making. The way communication can be used will differ in each business or organisation, and finding the most effective way is important to ensure all involved can understand the information clearly. For quick and effective communication, the use of emails can be used to provide clear highlights, quick updates, and share reports detailing actions and next steps required. Along with outlining clear and concise instructions, it is essential to remember to explain technical concepts in simple terms and to avoid complex terminology. This will help to reduce any confusion, misunderstanding, disengagement among non-technical stakeholders. Meetings and presentations can be used for discussions, providing key insights, keeping all stakeholders up to date with where the project is up to, and provide clear and concise information. Using visualization tools can help enhance understanding. Visualization tools can be in the form of dashboards and charts. These can help to provide real-time analysis, allowing collaboration and interaction to take place effectively. Training sessions can inform teams on interpretation and understanding of the data, and collaboration tools allow the quick sharing of insights, decisions, and discussions. Chagani in 2024 explains that providing insights that are clear, meaningful, and impactful to the audience will help enable effective data communication. Applying attention to detail and turning complex information into clear and actionable knowledge will only help businesses and organizations to thrive. Choosing the correct visualization tools will make data clearer and accessible to all. This will include non-technical stakeholders. Allowing these tools to prompt the questions will help to further analyse and make suitable adjustments as required. The case study I've chosen to look at is healthcare analytics. As within my current role in healthcare, I find it interesting to research and learn more about how organisations can become more effective and efficient. So Prajapati in 2025 explains that due to the nature of evolution within healthcare, a new tool has been developed to handle the large levels of data. This ensures healthcare providers can enhance the quality of care to patients and make the correct decisions. In this case study, the challenge is with the readmission rates, and with this new tool, the aim is to identify risks early, provide tailored interventions that will ultimately prevent unnecessary readmissions. The tool is to provide predictive analytics by using historical patient data such as demographics, medical history, and social history. To collect and prepare this data, information is gathered from electronic health records, which provides demographics, diagnosis, and treatments. Wearable devices that monitor vital observations, including heart rate and blood pressure, and patient surveys, which investigate social and lifestyle factors that may affect patient health. The data is then cleaned and pre-processed to ensure full accuracy and consistency. This is the most important step to be able to build future predictive models. The data science team developed a model that could predict patient readmissions, which you can see in Figure 1, displayed on the screen, shows a simplified version using the Python scikit-learn library. So from this model, we can see that healthcare providers were able to receive alerts for high-risk readmission patients, allowing them to be able to provide further resources to prevent those further readmissions. The results included fewer readmissions, significant cost savings related to emergency care, and improved overall patient satisfaction as patients felt more supported. This case study provided insights to show how data-driven analytics can transform patient outcomes. So Sahu, Jacinta and Singh in 2017 state that data is everywhere. It comes in many different formats, causing collation to be in large amounts. This is also known as big data. Due to the size of the data, it is important that the analysis of all the data is appropriate and the extraction should provide high quality information. In Figure 2, which is displayed on the screen, explains the tool for the process of big data through the collection of data, storage of data, data processing, and data visualization. So finding the correct tool is important to suit the needs of the data required. Taking into consideration cost, time, and accuracy will ensure accurate decision-making processes and the overall efficiency of data. Chandramouli et al. In 2013 explained that Intel had to complete a technical evaluation of Hadoop distributions before deciding on the Intel distribution for Apache Hadoop, ensuring Hadoop runs smoothly and efficiently on the Intel software. It was a low-cost big data platform and integrated well with the existing tools and security frameworks. Using Hadoop provided scalability for future use to expand Hadoop applications to enable further productivity and efficiency. Intel used a strategy to start small, and by doing so was able to create guidelines that will be used to continue to expand and build a big data platform in the future. Gitelson 2023 explains that Tableau is one of the lead business intelligence and data visualization tools. Tableau enables businesses and organizations to transform raw data into interactive visuals that enhance decision-making on real-time performance. This tool is known for being user-friendly for technical and non-technical users to be able to have the same experience whilst using the program. Tableau can connect the various databases, providing flexibility of use. Collaboration is another positive, ensuring all stakeholders can stay connected and access the data quickly and efficiently to drive decision making. The tool is designed to handle large sets of data from different data sources and is still able to maintain privacy and security by using various security practices. This includes encryption, account validation, and multi-factor authentication. The case study for this section I have chosen is American Express fraud detection. As we use debit cards and credit cards every day, I am interested to learn more about how fraud can be prevented and how companies aim to deal with this. So Pang in 2024 explains that with the ever-changing times in turning to digital and online transactions, it is even more essential to be aware of fraudulent transactions and to stay ahead to prevent future fraud. American Express uses machine learning to provide early detection, using advanced algorithms that enable it to identify certain patterns, anomalies, or any abnormal behavior that is usually related to fraudulent activities. They continuously learn from new data, and the system can adapt to detect these anomalies early, reducing the risk of financial loss to the customers. The advanced system, which is powered by machine learning, can act quickly, either by blocking the transaction straight away or notifying the customer promptly, providing security and customer satisfaction. Continuously monitoring the data gives real-time analysis to further reduce the impact of fraud on customers. American Express delivers effective communication to its customers and builds trust between them and the organization. This case study defines the importance of data-driven decision-making and allows the organization to depend on the data collected over instinct, enforcing pattern, risk, and strategies to be analyzed. Hamlin et al. 2022 explains that to identify an audience is to define the category they fit into. Dismissing audience analysis will result in a reduction of adapting to audience needs. Executives are responsible for the decision making. They are usually less technical than other audience types. The experts know the product or project fully, oversee the design process, are responsible for testing and run the systems. Technical teams build the systems that the experts design. They then maintain, operate, and repair them. This team holds the highest technical knowledge and offers a practical approach. Non-specialists are the audience with the least technical knowledge. They want to be able to use the system to complete their role. Therefore, simple, clear reports or visualizations are suitable here. Galati in 2025 explains that effective data presentations can turn complex information into clear information that can be understood by all. This includes technical and non-technical stakeholders, and by highlighting significant points reduces the risk of confusion. Choosing the correct visualization is dependent on the audience and how the data is to be displayed clearly. Tailoring information based on levels of expertise. If the target audience is technical, then more detailed data can be presented, including technical terms. However, the less technical stakeholders require short, clear, and easy to understand reports and information. Avoiding the use of complex visualizations will help to keep the audience engaged. The case study I've chosen for this section is the Netflix recommendation engine. Kumar in 2024 explains that providing a quality experience to customers is essential. Data analytics has enabled businesses to gather all kinds of knowledge based on the behaviours and preferences of their customers. This case study shows how data analytics has improved customer satisfaction and increased usage of the streaming service. Netflix is now able to tailor suggestions to customers with the use of algorithms that analyse the behaviour, preference, and previous watching history. This determines suggested content that is provided to everyone's preference. The use of these tools has enabled the service to boost performance, gain a competitive advantage, and make informed decisions to see positive results. In conclusion, communication is key in business or organisations for effective information sharing with stakeholders to provide accurate results and important decision making. Communication can be based in many ways and can differ with each organisation. It is about finding the most effective way that suits the specific needs. The healthcare analytics case study shows how effective communication can be used in the real world and how using the correct tools can help shape organisations to make practical decisions. We know that today that data is everywhere and can come in all shapes and sizes. Large sets of data are known as big data. Using specific tools such as Hadoop and Tableau, which are designed for large data sets, can enable efficient and effective productivity, helping to transform data into real-time interactive visuals. Effective visuals and presentations are about connecting with all types of audiences and helping everyone understand the data, regardless of technical abilities. It is about catering to all, which will keep everyone engaged. Overall, without communication, there will be no ability to develop, and without development, there is no room for improvement, which will then decrease effective decision making and in time reduce those positive results. And here is a reference list for all the sources used in this presentation, and thank you.